Hey, get up and walk closer to the car.
Is there?
Oh, there's cars coming from both directions.
Oh shit.
Next.
Alright, let's get out of here. Cops coming.
Where's the next?
I don't know.
We need to go to Interval Park or something.
So let's go to Boner Park.
Alright, let's go to Boner. Way too wide.
Come on, let's go. That guy's watching us, dude.
Get in my car, I'm not driving past him.
Yeah, drive to the right.
Drive past him and I'll honk it.
No,
Hey, just back in this way. Ah, look at this. He's taking a picture. Why? Dude, why are you skirting off, you fucking
Get the fuck out of here.
Why?